These cement planter videos are exploding all over TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube right now. One page gained over 74,000 followers just by posting these satisfying cement creations, and some of their videos have crossed millions of views in only a few days. I even found the same style of video being reposted across different platforms, pulling in millions more views. So I decided to test it myself using AI, and the results looked insanely realistic. Here's what I created in less than 5 minutes.
Check out this finished blue cement planter. I absolutely love how the orange hibiscus contrasts with the deep blue.
The craziest part is that I created this entire video in just a few minutes without touching any real cement or tools. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the fast and easy workflow to create these viral cement planter videos using AI completely for free. Make sure you're subscribed because we're starting right now. The first thing you want to do is open ChatGPT and head over to the Explore GPTs section. Once you're there, search for Viral DIY Cement Planter Generator by AI Pipeline. Open it up, and the tool will immediately guide you through setting up your video concept. Now, this is where things get really interesting. The GPT will ask you to choose the main character for your video. You can either upload your own reference character if you already have one, or simply use the built-in reference option to generate a consistent character automatically. This step is extremely important because it helps maintain the same look and appearance throughout the entire video, instead of having your character randomly changing in every scene. I will choose Use My Own Reference Character. After that, the GPT will ask you to choose a few creative settings for the planter video itself. Usually, this includes things like the planter environment, the setup style, the type of design, textures, colors, and overall aesthetic. Instead of typing long descriptions manually, all you have to do is select the numbered options you like most. Once you've made your selections, hit Enter and let the GPT do the heavy lifting. Within seconds, it will generate a complete sequence of scene prompts for your entire video, and I'm not just talking about basic prompts. You'll get detailed image prompts and matching video animation prompts for every single scene from beginning to end. This is what makes the workflow incredibly fast, because the entire creative structure is already mapped out for you automatically. Now copy the very first image prompt and head over to Google Flow. Inside Flow, click the Add button and upload your reference character first before generating anything else. This part is critical because it keeps your character visually consistent across every scene in the video. Without this step, your character could end up looking completely different every time a new image is generated. Once the character is uploaded, select the image generation option and make sure all your preferred settings are enabled. Paste the first image prompt into the prompt box and hit Enter. In just a few seconds, Flow will generate your first cinematic cement planter scene with highly realistic details and accurate character consistency. Now it's time to turn that image into an actual animated video scene. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the matching video prompt for Scene 1. Return to Flow, click on the generated image, open the Options menu, and choose Animate. Paste the video prompt into the animation box, enable your preferred settings, and hit Generate. Within moments, your static image transforms into a smooth AI-generated video clip. Let's preview this one. Now, download it. From here, you simply continue repeating the same process for every remaining scene prompt. But there's one very important thing you absolutely need to pay attention to if you want your final video to look professional and seamless. Before generating any new scene, carefully read the instructions inside each prompt. Some scenes require multiple images to create smooth transitions. For example, one prompt may tell you to use the previously generated image as the starting frame while creating a brand new image as the ending frame. That means you cannot randomly generate scenes out of order. You have to follow the sequence exactly the way the GPT structures it. So if scene 3 contains 2 image prompts and 1 animation prompt, generate the first image, then create the second image using the same reference character and style. After that, when animating the clip, use the older image as the starting frame and the newer image as the ending frame. This creates that satisfying progression effect that makes the planter appear like it's naturally being built step by step instead of jumping awkwardly between scenes. You really have to be smart about your prompting. Honestly, this single detail is what separates average AI videos from videos that actually feel cinematic and realistic. Most people skip this part, which is why their videos end up looking messy and disconnected. Once all your scenes are fully generated, download every clip one by one. Now bring them into your favorite editing software. Arrange all the clips in the correct sequence and trim away any unnecessary moments or awkward frames. You can also speed up certain sections slightly to improve pacing and make the transformation feel more satisfying to watch. Try to keep the final video length somewhere around 30 to 40 seconds, because that tends to perform extremely well on Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Before exporting, scale the clips slightly to hide any visible watermarks and make the overall presentation cleaner. And that's it. Your viral AI cement planter video is officially ready to upload. The entire workflow is honestly much easier than most people think. Once you create your first video, you'll realize how quickly you can start producing these consistently. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure you subscribe to AI Pipeline for more AI content creation tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.